Welcome back to Hot Car Track. Today we're looking at these Trackside mechanic workshops. I have 4 of them at the end of my track. You may have seen them. I've the Fantastic series. They're all different colours, and when you do purchase them, you can either purchase it as a single colour, meaning black, and then the building could be the same colour, or you can nominate different colours. What I've done is I have 4 of them, and they're all different colours, so like the roof and the walls. Generally the floor is a black or a grey, generally black. But today I just want to show you how they pull apart and go back together. It's very basic, but if you do purchase one, you'll be going, well, how do I do it? So the roof just comes off. It's very easy. It's got little locating lugs there that fit into the roof, and the walls are pretty much the same. We have 2 side walls, a back wall, a middle wall, and a front wall, and they're all located here into the base of this mechanics workshop. So let's pull them apart. That's the side wall there, that's the middle wall, this is the front wall. Hang on. The front wall comes out, and there's the other side wall, and there's the back wall. It's a bit of a tight fit, but I did design it this way. So anyway, so there you go. So there's the base. It's all one piece, and it's all got locating holes there. So let's put it together. There's really no particular way to do it, but let's just start with the back. You've got 2 locating lugs there. These little recesses go on the inside, right? So there's the back. Starting from the right-hand side, on the back wall here, it's got a little bit of a recess, and on the back of this right-hand side, it's got a recess here and a recess here. That'll just click in to there. Just make sure you push it down. On the front, you can tell which way is the front. The front door is recessed and the back is smooth. And on the back, it's got 2 little recessing situations there, and that connects into this hole here, and it will connect into that side wall. Nice tight fit. The middle office is the same. You can tell which way it goes. The door's recessed, so that faces out towards this area, and that just slots into there. And then you've got the back left wall. How do you tell this? It has a bit of a recess on the left hand side, and it's squared on this side, and this recess locks into the side wall and obviously goes into this little slot here, and we'll just put that there. And then the roof, doesn't matter which way it goes, it'll all just fit. It'll all just lock itself in. I'm pretty sure that's in. There you go. Look, it's a bit hard to do on camera. There you go, that's all locked in there, and then obviously you've got your car, you've got your little geezer here, who's, if he stands up, he's going to fix the car. So there you go, available from the links down below. These will look great on your trackside, or for trackside diorama. Thanks for watching, catch you later.